Hi friends, myself Gobind. Today we learn about basic detail of energy meter. So first we know what is meter. So it is a device which measure, indicate, record the measurable quantity, that is called the meter. Then energy meter, very simple, the device which measure the energy utilized in a electrical circuit, or the device which measure the power consumption in a circuit within specific period of time. Okay, we know that energy equal to power into time. Okay, so basically energy meter is classified according to the phase. First one is single phase energy meter, then three phase energy meter. Again, single phase energy meter is divided into three categories. One is electromechanical type, second one is static and digital type, third one is smart meter. Okay, so electromechanical type meter is the oldest version of energy meter, then static meter, then now we are installing the smart energy meter. So we know the basic details of electromechanical type meter. This is the electromechanical type energy meter. You see, this is the meter body. This is called sealing portion or sealing. This is a aluminum disc. Okay, this is counter mechanism. This is called the meter terminal. Here we supply and take load, and here we give the supply, and the outgoing of the meter terminal is connected to the load circuit. So the basic details of energy meter, electromechanical type energy meter is, basic mechanism is, one is a driving system, then next one is moving system, then third one is braking system, then last one is counter mechanism. So this is the basic detail of electromechanical type meter. The driving system here, the driving system is basically, there is two magnet, one is series magnet, another is shunt magnet. Okay, the series magnet is connected in series with the load, shunt magnet is connected across the supply. And moving system, there is an aluminum disc which is placed in a bearing, this is called jewel bearing. So the moving part here is the disc. Again, the braking system is done by a permanent magnet. Because why the braking system is necessary? Because once the disc is started rotate, so how can we stop the disc? Stop the revolution of the disc? By the help of brake. Here the braking magnet is one type of permanent magnet that will produce a braking torque. That braking torque will stop the rotation of the disc. Okay, here there is also counter mechanism. The rotation, accordingly the rotation of the disc is, here how much the energy consumption is accordingly proportional to the rotation of the disc. Again the rotation of the disc is connected to the counter mechanism. How much the consumer is consume the electrical energy, accordingly here the unit is shown in the counter mechanism. This is the basic detail of electromechanical type energy meter. This is the front type, this is the vertical type. Okay. So here the position of the disc, position of the energy meter also take a vital role. If we tilted the energy meter, again the recording mechanism also meter recording less amount of electrical energy consumed in the circuit. Here the installation of energy meter and the position of the energy meter is very important. Okay. Then come to, this is called the static energy meter. Okay. Static energy meter or digital energy meter. Here there is no rotational part, no electromagnet and permanent magnet. So how it is work? Now it is work, you see the basic details how it is work. So how it is work? Now here when we give supply to the meter, phase and neutral, here there is a current sensor or current transformer CT. Okay. From that there is an ADC converter. Here the CT sends the current, that is called analog quantity. Again that current or voltage is converted into digital form. Okay. By the help of ADC converter. Again the ADC converter is connected to the microcontroller. Okay. Microcontroller connected to meter display. This is called the display. Here the microcontroller do all the things, multiplication, addition, all the things here done in the microcontroller. The microcontroller give command to the meter display how much energy consumption in the circuit. You see the details of the static type energy meter. This is called the push button, this is called optical port, this is called meter display, this person is called meter terminal, left side is called, this is the incoming side, this is the outgoing side, this is sealing side, both side there is a provision to seal the meter. Okay. This is the back side of the energy meter. Okay. So the basic difference of electromechanical type and static type energy meter is, you see here only there is a counter mechanism. We see how much energy consumed in the circuit, nothing else. You cannot see the voltage, current, frequency, but in case of digital energy meter we see all these things. We can also take data from the energy meter. You see here we see the voltage, current, frequency and MD, how much maximum demand, how much the consumer maximum demand in a month, we can also get that information from the meter. 6 month MD history, we can also consumption history of 6 months. Then we can also see from meter display, we can also by the help of symbol, the meter gives a symbol like earthing symbol, neutral missing, all some from this symbol we can see the someone is interfere with the meter. Okay. But in case of electromechanical type meter we cannot see all these things, we only see the how much energy consumed by the circuit, nothing else. Okay. Here there is a provision, we can see all these things. This is the basic details of the electromechanical type static meter. So last one is smart meter, this is the latest version. So in case of smart meter we cannot go to the meter from taking reading, meter reading, but in this type of meter we are going to the meter for taking the meter reading. This is the disadvantage. Again, this is the disadvantage of the static meter. We cannot take reading automatically. We have to go to the place and take the meter reading. Here we can collect the data, but we cannot get data automatically. We have to go to the place. This is the basic difference. This is the disadvantage of the static meter. Then next version is smart meter or prepaid meter. Okay. So the smart meter and prepaid meter we will discuss in the further video. Friends, if you subscribe and like and share my video, I will be happy. Thank you.